Yeah, it feels about right. About damn near 80 degrees. Alright guys, today we're going to talk about the engine and engine accessories. Probably going to clean up the garage here a little bit because I kind of been going ham, letting it just kind of do whatever it wants, and might need to tidy that up, you know. But TBSS intake used to be white, as you've seen with the theme so far, going with some like neutral grays. We're gonna keep our intake. We gotta get a 5-bar map sensor. We're gonna drill and tap this hole. It's like a 3/8 fitting or something. The 90s off. Then we'll use Low Dollar Motorsports 5-bar map sensor that can plug and play with the Holly system. And this hole, the 3.5 or 3 or whatever bar map sensor, gonna have to plug that hole because we don't need it. Or, you know, might use boost reference off of it or something. Or the back here where there's a vacuum line that used to go to the brake booster. But fuel rails, stock fuel rails. You know, painted some weird stuff. Kind of looks horrible, so might sand that and repaint it. But for right now, got the 1000cc injectors. I want to go to Bosch 210s, but these guys did me so well. While we're starting out, we'll just stick with these guys and then move up to Bosch 210s once we're limited by fuel. All right, let's check out this ugly brown engine. I primed it with rusty metal primer. Let's see, engine block. Cleaned it, degreased it again, primed it. Yeah, the more times you clean this, you're not really gonna hurt anything, so. Made sure the WD-40 and all the bores where the lifters are. Yeah, and that's not rust, that's primer, and there's paint, or I'm sorry, tape over a lot of these spots. So that primer had pretty much 24 hours to dry, which is what it says. But the manufacturer is always going to recommend just a little bit more than what works. It's just the way they always guarantee stuff works. That guy, eventually we will probably tear into it. Everything's fine with it, but we might throw some new frictions and steels in just because. Probably realistically don't have to, but we will be swapping the valve body out for a Jake's Performance D3 trans brake valve body. Got 2 sets of heads, all of them ported on the exhaust side and polished. Didn't touch the intake side because you really don't need to. Yeah, all nice and cleaned up. Ain't gonna need no power steering no more. Pistons I need to clean over one more time, just because I took the rings out after the fact, after cleaning them, so need to clean in those grooves for the new pistons. The crank, we polished the crank and we measured it. I'll show all you guys that right now. So yeah, the crank is good. We might tack the Reluctor wheel to the crank. Just need to kind of be somewhat careful about how we go about that. And we're doing that for high RPM accuracy. Nice. Alright. I just woke up and Girl Scouts are tailgating. This is gonna get cleaned probably like 3 more times. Need to sand this surface down. I believe I already did this one, and with a straight edge and a feeler gauge, you know, checked everywhere. I think it still had some low spots, so probably do some more work on this side as well. But all in all, she's coming together good. Just gotta deal with this mess. All right, it's time to paint. Alright, first coat's down. I'm gonna let this dry for an hour or 2, maybe 3, and then come back and slap another coat on it. I don't know how the weather's gonna be today, so I'm gonna push this back in the garage after fixing that run right there.